So you guys, I was doing some Sephora shopping sometime last year, and I saw this product in the just arrived section, and I decided to pick it up. It is pretty pricey. I believe it's $60. If I'm incorrect, I'll put a little comment in here, but I think it's $60 for this product. This is from Grande Cosmetics, and this is the GrandeLASH-MD Lash Enhancing Serum, and I love this. I am obsessed with this product. So this is what the applicator looks like. It is extremely tiny. It's kind of like a winged liner brush, and I've spoken about this on my channel in the past, but I wanted to make a dedicated video on this product, just telling y'all how much I love it. I noticed a difference immediately with this product. I was using it every single day for a couple weeks, and my eyelashes were literally about to touch my eyebrows when I would open my eyes. So I had to cut back. So now I only use it 4 times a week. I use it Monday through Thursday, and you just apply a little swipe on your lash line where you would put eyeliner. So I do it on both, and then I go to sleep. I personally do not get any irritation with this product. That was one of my biggest fears with this item, is that my eyes would get irritated, or I've heard lash enhancing serums changing people's eye color, so I didn't really know what to expect. I didn't get any irritation with this product, any red eyes, nothing. I cannot say better things about this product. I do know the Latisse that you can get from your doctor is way more expensive than this, and this has lasted me so long. I'm still on my first tube. I have not had to repurchase it, and yeah, I'm hoping that I'll be able to find a picture of what my eyelashes looked before I started using this. I unfortunately did not take a before picture, which I wish I would have, but y'all, like, when I'm wearing sunglasses and I blink, my eyelashes will touch my sunglasses. Like, my eyelashes have gotten so long, and if you've been watching my channel, you know that I do not wear false lashes. I hate false lashes. They're just not for me. I'm a natural lash kind of person, so I need to make sure that my eyelashes are long and full enough for, you know, more dramatic looks. So yeah, I just wanted to share with y'all the product that I love for my eyelashes and how I get my eyelashes so long. And yeah, I would highly, highly, highly recommend this product. Definitely be sure to check it out. I do know that this brand also makes a brow enhancing serum. So for those of y'all who have tiny brows or not full brows, I would recommend checking that out as well, because if it's anything like the lash enhancing serum, it's probably amazing. So you guys, I know this video was super short, but I really hope that it helped y'all, and any of you who do struggle with tiny lashes might pick this up and absolutely love it. So definitely let me know if you decide to pick it up and what you think. Again, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.